core system library is failing because of the Fde library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we start the Fde library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Fde library, the full disk encryption Fde helper module. It manages the localized pre-boot authentication logic and facilitates the localized communication between the OS and the BitLocker kernel-mode driver for localized sector-level encryption. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Since Fde library DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Fde library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Fde library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Fde library dependencies. If Fde library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.